Hi, this is Kendra with Beauty by kjae, and I'm here to show you how to install a Beauty by kjae unit. And on the left of the screen, you see that is the link to the website. This is a full lace wig, and it has a combs and a clip. So first, we're going to start with alcohol and some wipes. And I switched to the rag because it started getting little lint things on it. So I'm just wiping off my forehead because I have makeup and grease and oil and all other stuff. So I'm just wiping it off, just giving a clean surface to use for the wig. Now that that's done, we're going to take our unit and we're just going to put it on our head. I'm going to pull my hair back and just make sure that it's sitting properly on my head. So now that we're satisfied with the position of everything, I'm going to grab the bold hold. And I'm just putting a little bit. If you want your unit to last like weeks, which I don't really like it on my head, glued on for weeks, you can do 2 or 3 layers. I'm only doing 1 because I really never keep it on more than like a week. So as I'm applying, you see I'm just continuously wiping off the little end of the comb so that it's not sticky when I'm trying to attach the hair to it. So right here I'm just doing 1 layer, and I know some people still use the Gots to Be glue, but like if you shower and if you sweat, it doesn't last. So I like this because it at least will be on strong for at least for the 3 or 4 days that I usually keep my units on before I switch it to a different unit. So I'm just doing it in sections, doing little areas, spreading it out, and then once it starts to clear, then that's when I just stick it on and pull it tight. So now I'm just continuing to do the same thing over my whole forehead. And if you realize, I'm doing it in front of my hairline so that it does not affect my hair. I don't know. I haven't had any issues with it pulling out edges. As long as you take it off properly, your edges will be perfectly fine. My hair is moisturized. My edges are moisturized, so that this is truly a protective style. Now that we are satisfied and the whole front is laid, we are going to work on these edges and the baby hairs. The side was just a little too long for my liking, so I just took some scissors and now I'm just cutting the hairs a little bit. Now I'm just shaping it in the way that I would like. So now we're going to do, I think I want like a side part. So we're going to do a side part. I've been feeling deep side parts lately. So I'm just parting it, and then I'm going to just spray some foam settings, some setting foam, and to just mold that part. So now that is done, we're just continuing to comb it out, and now I'm just going to work on the baby hairs, and I'm just going to continue to use the foam just for the baby hairs. I'm not going to do like extreme baby hairs, maybe just a little bit on the side. And now we're just going to grab that flat iron and add some curls. So I'm just doing some big giant curls, put a quick pin in it, and then as it cools, then I will just take out the pin. Don't forget to laugh. It's always good to listen to some music, or I don't know who was talking to me or saying something funny at the moment, but it's it's always great to, it makes doing your hair more fun instead of like just something boring that you have to do. So yeah, so I'm just continuing to curl and pin and curl and pin and just do the same thing all across my head. To start to pull the pins out. I just wanted to add a little bit more volume to the side and to the back, so I'm just grabbing random pieces on the top of my head and just curling it. And the secret trick is curl it in different directions, and that will give you more volume. Styling it to get it the way that I like, and now I'm just gonna do a little dance, and that's the best way to get volume in your hair. Lots of dancing, and there you go. Now the look is perfect. So now I'm grabbing a little edge control comb, and this also comes with the purchase of my units. I'm just taking that mousse again to just help lay the baby hairs a little bit more.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know.
Yes, so we are done. We just installed a full lace wig. I'm going to cut that little piece off because it is bothering me. Other than that, we are done. This is a full lace wig provided by Beauty by kjae, and we just installed it in 1, 2, 3. And this unit will last several days. It can be parted in several sections, box braided, cornrows. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can get an alert for when I have my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing 2019. Until next time.
You know I give in, been waiting so long.